Insane returns, guys. Trade recap today. We just made 1145%. Pay attention how easy my software spike pumps. Let's go right here. Adventure gold. Let's go to the charts. It's all about the volume. Pay attention to this number right here on October 12. The volume of this coin was $4 million. October 13, volume of this coin was $8 million. October 17, volume was $17 million. That's an increase in volume. When the volume spike out of the blue, what happened with the price? Because there is no sellers enough to compete with this. Okay, let me show you something. Trades I share in the private list this week was Dimitra, Adventure, Gold, Powerledger, Polymath, Jupiter, Lumerin, and RaceFi. Guys, $110,000 because we trade based on volume. $132 million, $262 million, $2.1 million. That's what I'm talking about, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Volume is confirmation. Okay, you feel free to reach me out. I share all my trades in the private list. Trade crypto time at gmail.com. Let's trade together because together we are strong. Pay attention to this. Everybody knows Bitcoin just hit $34,000, right? When Bitcoin hit go up, all those coins goes up because it's like a stock market. When NASDAQ go up, all stocks goes up. When it's NASDAQ goes down, all stocks goes down. Cryptocurrency is exactly the same thing, guys. Bitcoin is the main crypto. Bitcoin go up, all coins goes up. Bitcoin go down, all coins go down. But we don't trade Bitcoin. We use a swing trade to Bitcoin, and day trade use base volume and supply and demand. Okay. Trade crypto time at gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.